Notification, consent, and authorization. I, participant name. Understand that the participant agency is affiliated to the Continuum of Care, COC, of the Puerto Rico 502, and is part of Proyecto Enlace and Derecho a Techo Coordinated Entry System, for which I consent and authorize the following: the collection of my personal and health information on paper or in electronic media, the preparation of files related to the service provided by the participant agency, and the sharing of such information with Proyecto Enlace, Derecho a Techo Coordinated Entry System, and all those that are part of COC Puerto Rico 502. I also certify that the participant agency has notified me of the Privacy Practices Notice. I hereby sign this notice as evidence of receipt of the notice, and authorize that they may use and disclose my information in accordance with the limits set forth below, and in order to be located in housing in compliance with the applicable law. The information and records compiled by the participant agency will be included in the Homeless Management Information System, HMIS, which is administered by Proyecto Enlace, and will be used by Derecho a Techo Coordinated Entry System and the participant agency to provide case management, identify needs and plan services among participating agencies of the COC Puerto Rico 502, submit reports of the services received, and for any other necessary purposes in accordance with the federal regulation maintaining the privacy, confidentiality, and security of such information, whether on paper or in electronic media. I understand and accept that my information may be shared with other agencies or entities of the COC Puerto Rico 502, either on paper or electronic means, can include health information or other information protected by HIPAA and other any state or federal law related to the privacy, confidentiality, and security of such information. Such consent may be revoked at any time by writing. I have the right to inspect and request copy of all documents that have the participant agency related to the services provided. Request to be informed of the services to which I am entitled, confidentiality and compliance with state and federal law relating to the privacy and security of my information on paper or electronic media. Make a written complaint to the participating agency or the COC Puerto Rico 502 in case of the violation of my privacy without retaliation against me. File a complaint with the COC Puerto Rico 502 in case you understand that I have been discriminated against to receive the services. Revoke this written authorization. Cancellation will not apply retroactively to information disclosed during the validity of this authorization. The participating agency reserves the right to modify the terms and conditions of this notice and consent to review it from time to time as long as the new amendment does not violate the participant rights or prior consent. This document shall be enforced for a period of 3 years to expire. I also, name of the participant, don't authorize you to, participant agency, use or disclose the following information. Please select with a matching mark in the box the alternatives you don't authorize. Universal identification information. Physical health information disability. Mental health information. Use and abuse of controlled substance, alcohol. Chronic health conditions. Developmental disability. HIV/AIDS. Income. Or others. I certify that I have read the provision of this authorization, that I understand them, and that I agree with the terms and conditions within. Patient's name, participant's signature, name of the interviewer, and the date. The first part undertakes no discriminate against any person based on his actual or apparent race, color, religion, national origin, sex, gender identity, as defined in the Title 18, Paragraph 249, Section 4 of the United States Code guiding sexual or disability, be excluded from participating in denying your benefits or being discriminated against under any program.
Hola, mi nombre es Diana Cuente, soy intérprete de lenguaje de señas. Ofrezco talleres de lenguaje de señas o cualquier otro tema que a ustedes les interese sobre la comunidad de sordos. También doy clases presenciales y online. Cualquier información adicional se puede comunicar conmigo al 787-619-1858. Gracias.